Warning, the following content was made by two idiots in a controlled environment. Please do not try this at home.
Hey, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got something very special for you guys. We're going to be shooting into Epstein's laptop. What did you say? Sorry, I got Anyways, we have a couple of guns here we brought out to the range today. So here's some of the calibers we have. We'll start off with 22 long rifle, then we'll move our way up to 9mm, then 45, then 357. Is this 357 or is this
38 special?
Oh, 38 special, and then this is 357, correct?
Yes.
And then we have 7.62, 308, Birdshot, Slugs, and then Buckshot.
5.56 is missing.
Oh, we're missing a 5.56. Down the 5.56.
So right here, STG chambered in 22. We've got a lever action, G-force lever action, 357 and 38 special.
So this is a 9mm Glock 19 Gen 3. It's housed in a IWI called a macaroni.
Macaroni. Wonder what's for dinner.
9mm here.
All right, this one is a Turkish clone of the N4. This is a Thicc KSG AP5.
AP5 by Century Arms, yes.
AP5 by Century Arms. This is a Palmetto State AK-103, Palmetto State AR-15.
Also PSA.
PSA PA-10.
AR-10.
AR-10, and then a 1022 Ruger.
This is the new Jackal from PSA. Got it kitted out with all FDE right down here. Should be a fun shoot today. I haven't shot it yet. Should be my first time shooting it. As you can see, I built a little housing here. Technology. Stack them up. There should be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll start off by shooting 22.
Wait a minute.
What is that? What the f is that? What is that, Private Pile?
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
So it looks like it entered from the top here, and it looks like it stopped in the back on our second laptop here. All right, next up, 9mm. This is 9mm. Don't want to forget your pro. All right, perfect. Entered low here. Went in through the first, came in through the second, came into the third, and it looks like it stopped on the back side here. Oh, so 3 laptops. This is 45 ACP through the FN 545. You said 2? I think 4.
2, bro.
2, no way.
Right here, stop.
Oh wow, went through here, stopped in the second one. Look at that right there. Okay. Next is 38 special. The top here. Went to the thinner section here.
Yeah, 4.
Stopped at the
Right there.
Oh, we might be able to find the bullet.
2 hours later.
Next up, 357 Magnum. Aiming like right here, shooting a little high.
Went through here. One more. Just 4. It didn't even touch that one.
Oh wow, yeah,
5.
stopped in the 5. Next up is 5.56 out of this PSA Jackal. Wow, went through here. 1, 2, 3. Did it go through here? 3, 4, yeah.
Dang.
Looks like the spot. Stopped on the 4th. Nothing on the 5th. All right, next up we have 5.56 in green tip. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 6th it got through?
No.
We're here, right?
6.
Oh wow. Been 6.2 by 39 is PSA AP.
One, right?
Yep. Wow,
Went
went
through.
clean through 2, 3, 4. Look, it started
5,
to tumble.
6, 7.
7.
7.
Oh wow.
Is it the back?
Yeah, it looks like it bounced off, dude.
Nice.
This is 308 out of PSA AR-10.
Bottom. Yeah, third one and tumbled to the left. Fourth.
Oh, is that where?
Yeah,
right here?
right there. It tumbled
Started-
left. Yeah.
Bullet started breaking up.
Yeah.
It's like
Dang.
so 1 ounce slug. Got this Turkish clone.
Oh.
Get a shot of that.
Looks like it stopped on the 4th.
Fourth.
Yep.
Looks like Epstein's files are safe. That's why they haven't been released yet.
Let's go take a look at the damage. Nothing penetration, just all cosmetic, huh?
No, nothing.
Definitely
Yeah.
hurt.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
This is Buckshot.
That was nothing.
Yeah, it didn't go through the.
Went through the
Kinda lame.
It went through the first one.
Lastly, we're just gonna dump it out. Full mag dump from the AP5. It's got an FTR trigger in here, by the way. It should be fun.
Folks, this is why the government doesn't want you to have full auto.
Wow, made it all the way through. Came to the back.
Good, I knew it was gonna happen. There you go. This is gonna get exploded.